guys, your girl Bella Sweet, and I do have an amazing ice cream recipe that I'm gonna share with you today, guys. Jamaican style ice cream, and your girl Bella Sweet says so. And hail from Jamaica, our sweet potato, guys. Woo! Guys, these are the ingredients. So I'm gonna have some nutmeg in my thing, guys. I'm gonna have some vanilla, as you all know. Good thing of flavor, guys. I'm gonna have my heavy cream, guys. I'm gonna use some Nestle sweetened condensed milk, guys. And I'm gonna have a cup of milk. One cup Bella says so. So let's kick it off, guys. I'm gonna get started, guys. I'm gonna prepare my potato over here. So my sweet potato is finished peeled, guys, and now I'm gonna go ahead and dice it up. I'll have him washed and clean. So beautiful this is, guys. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna get it prepared for the pot, guys. And guys, be careful if your knife is sharp because you don't want to cut your hand. So to be careful. It's a little bit sharp. You can do it on your cotton board too. So that is more better. Because I'm gonna put this in my magic bully to get it to wick it a little. So I'm just gonna cut it into 4 or 6 and let it cook after it is done. So I'm gonna do it in 6, more easier piece, guys. So it's gonna be in 6. I'm gonna allow this to boil maybe about 10 minutes because potato don't take long to boil, so it's gonna be roughly 10 minutes. I'm just being very careful because I don't want this knife to come because this thing is very sharp, guys. So very sharp. There you go, all diced up and nice up. I'm gonna put in my pot now, guys. It's my pot boiling, guys. I'm gonna add my potato and let them boil for roughly 10 minutes. Then they're good to go. My sweet potato are finished, guys. I'm gonna put them over here. I'm gonna add them into the bully to get them blended out and ready. Nice, all done, guys. This is it over here, guys. I'm gonna add some milk to this. So I'm gonna put actually the whole cup of milk inside. Here it is, guys. So this is the mixture, guys, with the milk for to mash the sweet potato. Now I'm gonna pour it and add the other ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna pour out this. So this is, you want it really thick, guys. Wow, this is looking good already, guys. Oh my god, this is looking so beautiful, guys. Amazing. This looks like the ice cream ready already. Since it's gone, I'm gonna add my heavy cream inside. There we go. And I'm putting half of this box, guys. So roughly like mix all together. Make sure my mixture is mixed out properly. add to this one some condensed, Nestle condensed milk now, guys. And remember, we're putting the whole tin of milk, guys. And don't worry, it won't be sweet like you're thinking, it's gonna be sweet. But the whole tin. And we're gonna mix this all together. Now we're gonna put in, just sprinkle a little nutmeg, not much. There we go. And we're gonna add vanilla. It's just a teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna mix all these ingredients, fabulous ingredients that we have here together. Make sure it dissolves properly. Yes, guys. Look at this, guys. Amazing. Look at the amazing Bella Sweet ice cream. Sweet potato ice cream, guys. Creamy, nutritious, and delicious, finger licking. Now we're gonna put this in the freezer, guys. I'm gonna let it stay there for 4 hours. You can spice up the thing your way now, guys. If you want to put that 3-letter word thing in it too, it's good to go. The thing more spicy. See, guys, this way it should be creamy. This is, guys, that's the blend, guys. Now this is ready for the refrigerator, guys. Woo. There we have it, guys. Bella Sweet homemade ice cream, sweet potato ice cream. You're gonna love this one. I'm gonna cover it and put it inside of the freezer, and I'm gonna let it sit there for 4 hours, and I'll show you the finishing. But guys, I can tell that it is gonna be delicious. The finishing stuff is here, guys. Bella Sweet homemade ice cream, sweet potato ice cream. This is amazing, guys. Now I'm gonna dig in, guys, for you to see, guys. Ooh, it's moving. Nice and yummy. I'm holding the camera too, guys, so guys, amazing, juicy, delicious, guys. Look at the side, guys. Look at the sides, guys. There you go, guys. Until that thing nice, the thing nice. I told you. Thing good. So over here, guys, this is what I'm gonna have mine. I put a little syrup in the top, and I'm gonna have 2 little cinnamon rolls that I also make, guys. So there you have it. Delicious, well tasty, creamy, nice and rich Bella Sweet homemade ice cream. Thank you. Look at that, guys. See the thing, guys? Oh my god. I'm gonna have this now, guys. Creamy, delicious. This is ready, and I am ready to dive in. Oh my god, I can't wait. So guys, remember to check it out. Don't leave it out. like, subscribe, comments, and share. Your girl Bella Sweet. I'm out with another good one, and I do have my Jamaican apple pie coming up, guys. You have to check that one out too. Bless up yourself.